Hello class, welcome to this video. In this video you will find instructions to do your SEDEVI test, your writing and speaking test. First, you have to answer the next questions. Number 1, for how long have you studied? Was a book read by you the last 2 weeks? Which book? Have you bought any tech device? Were you using apps during the quarantine? Which one? And did you buy a new computer in the last month? Was this activity made by you? What did the president say yesterday? Well, how can you answer those questions? Here you are going to find an example. Okay, so let's start. The answers. For example, the number 1. I have studied since I was a little girl. That is present perfect. I have studied. Yes, a book was read by me. Passive voice. I was reading The Hunger Games. No, I haven't bought any tech device. Present perfect. Yes, I was using Flipgrid during the quarantine. No, I didn't buy any computer in the last month, and this activity was made by me. And the president said yesterday that we have to take care of our personal safety. Those are examples, but you can find more vocabulary and more examples on your book, on Unit 2 and 3. There you can find grammar boxes and vocabulary. When you finish to do your writing, go to the blog and writing your answers, right? And after that, record a video on Flipgrid. You have to use minimum 2 minutes, and that's all. Bye, everyone. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and I hope that you like it. Bye.